right, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I have a super cool one here for you right now. Before we get started, guys, I would really appreciate it if you can hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and it helps the other people be able to see the videos that you enjoy. Alrighty, guys, we're here with Bob. Bob, I'm Craig.
Nice to meet you, Craig.
Nice to meet you, Bob. Okay, Bob, you got this awesome car here. What do you got here?
It's a 1973 Dodge Challenger RT, and just picked it up not even a month ago.
Really?
It was an accident going to get my daughter a van, and this was on the showroom floor in Bloomington, Illinois.
I'll be darned.
Yep.
Wow.
But
what a lucky find.
Oh, had to put a clutch in it as soon as I got it.
Yeah, well.
But hey, I knew it.
Yeah,
I knew it was
you
going out.
You knew that ahead of time, huh?
Yes.
And so I guess you bought it like this, and you had it about a month.
Yeah, just like this. All I did was put a clutch in it.
You put a clutch in it, and you put a scary guy in the back seat.
Oh, he come with the car.
Oh, he did?
Probably the old owner.
Okay. Yeah, that's probably it.
Yeah.
Now, you say this is a Dodge or Plymouth?
Dodge.
Okay.
Dodge Challenger.
Dodge Challenger. Okay.
Yep.
Now, they made Plymouths that look kind of like this too, didn't they?
The Cuda.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Yeah. It's got the pistol grip shifter in it.
All right. Let's take a look at that.
That's something a lot of people liked.
Oh, yeah. We'll take a closer look at the inside here in just a jiff.
Okay.
I like these wheels. Those are some good-looking wheels.
Yeah, they remind me of the old Kragers.
Yeah, yeah. Like what's right there. Yeah. This is cool. Man, I tell you what, RT, you know what that stands for?
I really don't.
It's road and track, from what I understand.
Oh, wow.
That's what I understand. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is.
It needs a bath.
Yeah, well.
It's in a dusty warehouse.
Okay.
Yep.
This is beautiful. Man, you did good finding this find.
Oh, I said I had to have it.
Yeah, I could imagine so. For sure. And what engine did you say was in here?
This is a 440.
Okay.
With the 6-pack, the 3 carburetors.
Okay, 3 of them, huh?
Yeah. And,
I'll be darned.
I'll open the hood for you.
That'd be perfect if you don't mind.
Yeah. Hey, Rick, move those.
You know if those hood pins came like that from the factory?
I really think so.
Okay.
Because I've never seen them without them.
Okay, and then these little things right here, what are these?
Directionals.
Oh, so that shows your blinkers there, huh?
Yeah, and they light up.
Wow, that's kind of cool. Holy cow. That's what you call an engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, folks, let's just take a second here. Boy, this is a big engine in here. Now, which size engine did you say this was?
It's a 440.
Okay. Now, why does it say 6-pack? What does that mean?
It has 3 2-barrel carburetors on it.
Okay.
So 3 carburetors.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, oversized radiator.
Yeah. Got to have that. I tell you what, it looks like it's got some headers on it too, possibly.
Yep. Uh-huh.
There's some healthy-looking headers, aren't they?
Yeah, it needs new wires. They got the wrong wires on it, too short. And
oh,
not
the spark plug wires?
Yes.
Yeah.
I ordered a green set.
Okay. Yeah, that'd look good on here for sure. All right, guys, let's take a look at the inside of this car. What kind of gear shift did you call that again?
Pistol grip.
A pistol grip. Nice. Oh, wow, it's got 150 mile an hour speedometer, tachometer, some gauges there, and a clock, and some more gauges down there. That is neat. Oh my, look at the back. He's a scary looking fella, isn't he?
Previous owner.
Yeah, previous owner. Wow. I tell you what, this thing is really something. Is there anything else you want to add to showing me your car?
No, that's about it.
Okay, all right, Bob. Well,
nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
You
Thank you so much for taking a minute out and doing this.
All right.
All right. thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, folks, well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you liked it, click the little logo right here, and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. Then on this side over here, this is the last video that we just did. Thanks a bunch.